that's what you show me some love. Whip, got it, whip, got it, yeah, got it.
Beauties, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Trinity Shantae, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. But yeah, excuse my my dead flowers over there, but I have been on this self-love journey, and I have bought myself some flowers, and I've been trying to, you know, I want to do it at least once a month, to buy myself some flowers and, you know, just make myself feel good. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, y'all, so it is Labor Day weekend, and I'm just gonna be chilling. I ain't got nothing really to do. I just put on some makeup, put on some clothes, nothing too special, and I'm about to go out and about. But I wanted to come on here and show y'all another thing that I have bought for myself. I bought the Ysl Mom Paris Perfume. This smells so bomb. I had it in the travel size, but I was just like, I got to get the full version. So I'm glad I got it, because I've been contemplating on getting it for a long time. And I'm trying to build my perfume collection, because I don't know if y'all know this. If you didn't, now you know. I love perfume. Like, I love perfume. Isn't it so cute? It has like a cute little bow, black bow on it. It's so cute. I got the 1.0 fluid ounce. This is the perfume, so it will last. Oh, got to get this. It smells so freaking good. I tried on a new lip combo. Kind of cute. Well, not a new lip combo, but let me just show y'all. My Old Faithful, I love this lip liner. It's the Wet n Wild. Well, it's actually an eye pencil, but I use it for my lips. So it's in the color dark brown. It's from Wet n Wild, and it's like, I think it's like 97 cents. So yeah, I always restock on that when it's all gone, and it's, you just sharpen it. And then the lip gloss, it's a matte lip gloss, and I got this from the beauty supply store, y'all. It's so good, and it's the Ruby Kiss. It's by Ruby Kisses. I didn't know that. I just saw the color, and I was like, oh, okay, I like this. It's by Ruby Kisses, and it's in the color Doom, and it's the Forever Matte lip gloss. Well, liquid lipstick, because it's definitely matte. Gotta make sure your lips are moisturized. Hope mine are enough. But yeah, y'all like my bun? I think it's so cute. I've been trying to wear my hair out lately, because the wigs, they were hurting me. They were hurting your girl edges, so I had to take a little break. So we got the bun out for the week. I've been wearing a bun all this week, and so it's actually time to wash my hair again today, but I'm not doing this today. I might do it Sunday or Monday, because of course we're off for Labor Day, so that's what I might do. But yeah, y'all, so I'm dressed, I'm ready. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Like I said, it ain't nothing special. I got on my bracelet and my earrings, so but I'm gonna show y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so this is the outfit. Like I said, I just have on a tank from TJ Maxx. I have on these jeans from Fashion Nova. These are my favorite high-waisted jeans that I get from Fashion Nova. This is in the dark wash. I have on some sandals from H&M. And then I have on this Shein bag that I always wear. See y'all in a minute. things and I cannot make a decision. So y'all help me out. So this is the first purse. It's kind of like what I'm used to, and I like that I can put it on my shoulder. This is the next purse. I like the chain on the front. And I like that I can put it over my shoulder as well. But I don't know if I can wear a brown purse every day. This purse is more me. And I like it. So it is later on in the night and I just got back home. Let me show you all the things that I got. These are the bags, what the bags looking like. So I did a little bit. I am about to chill out for a little bit and then I have some studying to do, and then yeah, I'm about to just lay it on down. I might pick y'all back up in a little bit, but if I don't, I will see y'all in the morning. I decided to pick y'all back up because I want to tell y'all about this wine, honey. So I'm gonna put a clip in of the wine, a picture of the wine that I'm drinking right now, but it might not be in other states. But if you are in the state of Mississippi, this wine is so good. I don't know, have y'all ever heard of like muscadine wine? If you're from the South and you know what muscadines are, this tastes just like muscadines, okay? Yeah, it tastes so good. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It's just so good. I love some cold wine. Oh, I don't know what percentage it is though. It's actually, it doesn't say it on the bottle. It says that it's just table wine. So I don't know. I don't know what percentage it is, but it definitely gets you in there though. I'm bored, y'all. I'm so bored. Like, I don't have nothing to do here. I wanted to go out for drinks, but who I'm gonna go with? I ain't got no man. That's why I kind of don't do a lot of vlogs. Or if I do a vlog, it's not really, I'm really not doing anything. Because I don't do anything. I don't go nowhere. I be just chilling in my pajamas, watching TV or watching YouTube. That's probably what it is, watching YouTube. And on the weekends, I like to have me a little, you know, a little wine. Because during the week, I try to drink mostly water. Because I'm trying to get my skin right. And to get your skin right, you have to work on the inside. I drink at least 4 bottles of water a day. And that's like half a gallon. Yeah, that's a half a gallon of water a day. That's what I do. It's about 9:30 at night right now. Saturday night at that. And I'm not doing nothing. I'm about to find something on TV to watch. Or I'm about to watch Catch Up on Aaliyah's Face on YouTube. I'm gonna pick y'all back up and we'll see what we're gonna do tomorrow. Alright, beauties, so it has been days. Only because I didn't do anything this past weekend. So, but you did see that I did go to a couple of stores and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. The first place that I went to was Ross. As y'all can see, I was contemplating 3 purses, which I really couldn't make a decision. But I finally made a decision at the last minute. Are y'all like that? Like, when I get to the counter, it's just like, oh, no, I want that one instead. I decided to get the Aldo Purse. This is how it looks. Hope y'all can tell, but it's so pretty. And I like that it is like very sturdy. It's not flimsy. A lot of times I don't like flimsy purses. I like very structured purses. But yeah, it's black. It has kind of like texture on the front, but it's very sleek in the back, and it has gold accents on the purse. The next thing that I got from Ross is actually a top that I really do like. It's kind of like leather material, and it's this hunter green color, and it has kind of like shoulder pads in it, and I really do like this. I think I'm gonna try it on for you guys and have it on the side. It's giving me like fall vibes, and I'm so excited for fall time. Like, y'all, I love fall clothing. Like, summer clothing is good, but fall clothing, yes, boots, leather, fur, yes, I love it all. So y'all, I have been addicted to TikTok, and I saw this on TikTok. It's supposed to be comparable to the Bum Bum cream, the smell of it, and I have not smelled the Bum Bum cream, to be honest with you, but when I smelled this, I was just like, okay, this smells good. This one says it's firming, and so I don't know, you know, we're gonna see, but the smell smells very nice. The next thing that I picked up was the Morphe Lip Gloss in the color Freebird. I love Morphe's lip products. I actually have two of their liquid lipsticks. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I love True Story from Morphe. But this is Freebird. It's kind of like a pinkish mauvish lip gloss. The next thing that TikTok brought me to buy was the Ysl Libre. So this is what the travel size packaging looked like. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this like really smell like the Good Girl Gone Bad. That's what it smells like. You know, the perfume that's shaped like a shoe? I actually have it. Let me show y'all. This is the perfume that the Ysl Libre smells like to me. The Good Girl Gone Bad it's a little bit sweeter. Like, it's a little bit sweeter. But this Ysl Libre, it has a bit more sexiness to it. So, yeah, like, I don't know, I like them both. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I have been loving the 3D Mink Lashes. Like, every time I wear these lashes, everyone thinks that I have on Mink Lashes. Like, I got them done, like individual Mink Lashes. They're the 3D Mink Lashes, and they're in the number 24. I get them from the beauty supply store. They are so fluffy. Like, they're not like the synthetic fiber looking, just straight, just shiny. No, they're like real hairs. So real Mink Lashes, and I love these. So I have been on a self-love journey. I have been trying to take better care of myself, physically and emotionally. A part of that is getting closer to God. So what I got is a Bible. The Bible that I have is really hard for me to comprehend when I'm reading. So I actually got the New International Version, the NIV version. And actually I love this Bible because I actually read a scripture and I can actually understand it. And yeah, like, I'm just so excited to be on my self-love journey. I think it's very important that we love ourselves first before we expect anyone else to love us back. I'm gonna start taking y'all along on my self-love journey. I first decided to, you know, try to, you know, not be so shameful with, you know, going out by myself, or just the little things as buying myself flowers once a month, you know, just the little things to show myself appreciation for myself. So yeah, I mean, that's where I'm at with that. So stay tuned for my self-love journey. Alright, beauties, so that is the end of this vlog. I thank you guys so much for watching. This time it was just a real chill weekend, just a little shopping, a little bit of self-care, a little bit of reflecting. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.